Yes, another one is organizational rigidity. And it makes sense because if we're talking about pure agile, mainly we're talking about startups. If the organization been in the market for like 50 or 100 plus years, definitely they're not that agile. There's more structure, more hierarchy, and also lots of people who are in the middle management positions who are having like great titles, but they don't really have that much power. And they're also threatened by changes. So they try to protect whatever they have. So they're also kind of like stopping and blocking the speed of the transformation. And then for the executive leaders, when they don't see that the speed is high enough, they also dropped their trust in Agile.
That support at the top end is so vital, isn't it? I can't agree more about we have to be competent at what we're doing if we're going to help companies roll it out. But number two, if they don't support it from the top to the bottom, it's not going to work, isn't it? And that's,
Yeah, exactly.
in your opinion, that's a huge reason for the failures, for the problems. Rigidity, I like that. Senior organizational rigidity, stuck in their ways, hundreds of years old, and they're still doing it the same old way. It's hard to get people to move away from that Friday night recap report, isn't it? Which you just
Yeah, I know.
it just don't get out of Agile. I love it. Number three.
And number three, Agile became a new religion, and many experienced Agilists started fighting because they had different views and different angles on what we are preaching, which is again against what Agile being created for. But unfortunately, this happens to any new ideas. And also, like 20 or 15 years ago, Agile became kind of a panacea for everything. So people started using Agile outside of software, but even like for the software, which don't need that much agility, which doesn't need that much customer involvement. But people tried to do the changes where we not necessarily need the changes. So again, after those negative cases, we broke the trust in Agile.
I hope you enjoyed that mini bite from ProjectBites.com. Project Bites is a platform of project management, education, inspiration, and PDUs, all in 20-minute units, videos, podcasts, live events, and special learning paths. $45 a year for individual subscribers and special pricing for project teams of 5 or more. Start your 7-day free trial today at ProjectBites.com.